I'm Titus Seilheimer, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to cook Wisconsin fish. Today I'm cooking farm-raised, pan-fried rainbow trout with lemon butter sauce. I chose rainbow trout because Wisconsin has a lot of rainbow trout farms, so this is something that you can get at a very local level directly from the farm. Wisconsin fish does not have to be complicated. It can be fast, it can be easy, and it can be delicious. We're going to season the rainbow trout with some basic and common kitchen staples: smoked paprika, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some brown sugar. With the seasoning, I like to cover the whole fish fillet with a nice even coating and then pat that seasoning on. We want it to stay on while it's cooking. And then I'm gonna lay it into the hot pan, and you wanna lay it away from you as you put it in. I'm cooking the rainbow trout in cast iron at medium-high heat for 10 minutes to about 140 degrees. The lemon butter sauce is really simple. We just put the butter into this hot pan, let it brown for a few minutes, and when you start smelling that nutty aroma, then you can take it off the heat, add in the lemon at that point, and then season it with some salt and pepper. I like the health benefits of Wisconsin fish. It's local, it's sustainable, it's very fresh, and it tastes great. So if I was looking for a local Wisconsin fish, I'm gonna start at the grocery store or my local fish shop. But really the best and freshest option is to go right to your local fish farm.